what's up with you all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Neha Tankha. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. Let's quickly go ahead and check what are the current thoughts and feelings of your person in June week 2. Be it a no contact situation or a separation situation. If you're asking for a reconciliation, if there has been a third party in your connection, we will cover everything. We will see whether you are single or in a couple or married or looking for a marriage proposal, commitment, anything of that sort. We will also look into it. And do not leave the video in between, because I am going to tell you the spell work that you can get done from me to receive reunion from your person forever, and the outcome, what will be their next steps or actions towards you and towards this particular connection, in case if you've been asking so let's quickly delve into the reading for the month of June, week 2. Now, connect to my energies by liking this particular video for the energy exchange, and let's see what are the next actions your person is going to take towards you right now. Let's quickly dive into it and see. Okay. So this particular reading is going to resonate with most of you people, especially who have liked and dropped I claim in the comment section. Oh my god. All right. The first card itself that came out is Five of Pentacles. Something tells me that there has been a loneliness, be it in your connection, in your person's life, or in your life. Take how it may resonate. It may resonate with you or your person. It may be vice versa, your energy or their energy. I do see that somebody is feeling very left out and lonely. Somebody has been pushed out of the door and left completely. The key is although lying right here, they you can pick up the key and you can go inside, or they can pick up the key and go inside, and they can stop this feeling to they can stop this particular feeling that they are into, but they are not doing so. They are not even looking at the key, just sulking in this particular situation. But here comes the Page of Swords. I do see that either you or your person, one of you is definitely stalking. Either your person is stalking you because they have left you in the recent past. In week 2, I do see that even if they have left you, now they are feeling very lonely, they are feeling really bad. Why did they do that? There are a lot of regrets as well, and now they have started stalking you. They are observing you, and they are really getting into this particular zone wherein they are trying to gather some information, maybe through your social media or through the common friends, but they are trying to gather information about you. Two of Wands, they are thinking what should they do in the future, how should they reach out to you, because Five of Wands, they may have fought with you and then they may have left the connection, and now they are thinking how should they enter in your life again, because the fights, the issues that because of which you guys went into all the drama and stuff like that, maybe connected to marriage, maybe connected to commitment, because I do see Two of Cups and Four of Wands. Now they see you as somebody, they always wanted you to be there forever, but there seems to be a lot of internal conflicts around the marriage, and now they are thinking about the future because they want to commit to you with the Ace of Swords. They want to commit to you, they have gained that sort of a clarity, but they never intended to move on from the connection or to throw you away or to throw you out of the connection. Okay, to be done with the connection, they never wanted to do that, but they actually, this thing happened, and now they are thinking how should they come back in your life, what they should say to you, tell to you, so that you let them in, because we have here Knight of Swords. They don't want to hurry up, they don't want to come back to you in an impulsive way. They want to sort out things, they want to give this commitment to you because they see you as their future partner. They have invested a lot of emotions this particular connection, but out of impulse they don't want to ruin things, and I feel that they do realize and they do regret that out of impulse they have actually ruined things between you and them. Out of impulse they have ruined the connection between you and them, and the Six of Wands tells me that they want to come come back in, they want to come back to you because they see you as somebody who's quite good, well learned, well traveled, well educated, probably somebody who's quite successful. You have done quite a lot, quite a bit in your career, in your life, and you seem to be quite um, you seem to be quite successful in their eyes. The fool tells me that they want to have a new beginning with you. They don't want to ruin everything. They want to have a new beginning with you. They don't want to move on. They don't want you to move on. They want a proper reconciliation. They cannot do without you. So guys, in case if you have had a recent fight or a drama in your connection, everything is going to get sorted within week 2 itself. There will be a reunion. There will be this person loves you a lot. They want to get married to you. They see you as somebody who is their future partner. With the 7 of wands, I do see that somewhere down the line you are pushing them away because of whatever conflicts that you have gone into. It seems like that you have pushed them away, and that is what they are not able to understand what they should do. Right now they are taking their own sweet time, and they are giving you space as well, so that this entire connection is able to heal on its own. And once this particular connection heals, they will make the move, because they feel that in case right now if they try to approach you and try to make you understand why they behaved for what they behaved, you may not agree to them. The 6 of pentacles tells me there is a lot of imbalance in the give and take. They want to balance it out. They want to give. They want to invest in this particular connection. Okay, they want to invest in this particular connection, but at the same point of time they want to plan it. Okay, whatever things that have taken space in the whatever things that which may have taken place in this particular connection, they want to calm it down. I mean, they want to fix that. Whatever negativity that you guys have are are going through in this connection, because the world card tells me that they want to end this negativity. Probably you may be at a long distance, you are traveling, they are traveling, some travel plans are also there, but they want to get rid of all the negativity which is there in this particular connection. The 7 of swords tells me that somewhere down the line, there is a runner chaser dynamics. Probably in the recent past you have invested or you have given a lot more in this particular connection. Okay, and now finally you got sick and tired of this person, and now all of a sudden you are trying to heal yourself, you're trying to take your power back, and this person now do realize the value. Okay, because now all of a sudden they have started feeling really lonely, and they really don't know what they should expect from you, because they never thought that you will close yourself. They never thought that you will push them away, because they always thought of you as somebody who's caring, nurturing, very giving, somebody who's very sensible, somebody who's very good, somebody who's complete, who's a marriage material, sort of a complete partner, right? And now all of a sudden they always imagine a future within. All of a sudden, things which they took for granted, now they are realizing everything. That the way they treated you, the way they did things to you, so now they are realizing, and they are not liking it, by the way. Okay, the lovers, it's a soulmate connection. It's a twin flame soulmate connection. You're meeting your soulmate, by the way. Wow, Six of Cups. They are missing you. Six of Cups always tells me that they are in the imaginary world right now. They are thinking of things, what they should say to you, what will they confess to you. They are thinking of things, how they will come up to you, and how they will balance out, and how they will propose to you for marriage. They are missing you. They're imagining everything. It's like a movie that they are playing and they're editing. They are their own director. They are their own producer. They are the hero or the heroine, and you are the opposite, the hero or the heroine in their movie, which is playing in their mind. And they are sort of, you know um, they are sort of um, getting ready for that proposal, for that moment. All right, the tower. The realization has actually hit them hard, very hard. The realization has actually hit them hard, and something tells me that they are now getting all geared up and all ready to break the no contact situation. There is a heavy transformation happening right now in your life. There's a heavy transformation happening, and in your connection, basically, not in your life or their life, but in this particular connection. and now they have all of a sudden they have started manifesting union, good things, positivity in their life. They are manifesting positivity in their life. With the five of swords, I do see that they are becoming very stubborn, you are becoming very stubborn. None of them in the past, none of you guys in the past were ready to budge. And now since you're coming out of that particular zone, they are coming out of that particular zone, they are coming towards you. Now you are able to have gain that control over this particular connection. I see happiness striking, and I see you taking the responsibility, you taking the charge of this particular connection. And I see you are the one who is going to drive this particular connection once they reappear in your life. Beautiful. With the nine of swords, I do see that there are a lot of sleep, there were a lot of sleepless nights, or there are a lot of sleepless nights, depression, futuristic thought process, lot many things which are keeping you up, them up about the futuristic things, how things are going to happen. With the strength card, I do see that somewhere down the line, with the strength card, I do see that somewhere down the line, uh, they are thinking about things. Okay, they are also trying to be practical, or you are trying to be practical, one of you. They are in love with you, they never showed you. Now they are, trying to be practical, that probably in the past, this is what was lacking in this particular connection. I was too involved at work, or I was too cold offish to my person, and now is time when I need to go ahead and show how much I do care for them. I need to prove myself. Yeah, I need to show, I need to prove myself. Beautiful. Ace of Pentacles, new beginning, very strong, powerful, safe, secured, and stable new beginning. With the Two of Cups, soulmate connection. It's a past life connection, by the way. It's a soulmate past life connection. It is bound to happen. It is bound to happen. If you see Seven of Pentacles, you have waited. Okay, something tells me that you have waited all your life to have such beautiful connection, to have such beautiful person in your life, and now it is there. It's an infinity sign. Do you see this infinity sign? That tells me that this is a past life connection, and you guys are supposed to meet every lifetime. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. In case if you have blocked them by any chance, please unblock them if you want this reunion in your life, because they are waiting for it. Okay, they are waiting for you to unblock them so that they can approach you. By the way, guys, this is such a beautiful energy for June week 2. I would suggest that in case if you have blocked them, please unblock them, because you need to have a free flow of energy as well in your life if you are expecting a reunion with them. Otherwise, that's all right. That's up to you, definitely. In case if you're looking for a faster reconciliation, you can go for the reconciliation communication spell work. And if in case if you're looking for a reconciliation along with obsession, and you're looking for marriage proposal as well, all in one, then you know what I'm gonna say. 21 days love combo is the one that you should go for. And trust me, guys, if that is not going to help you out, nothing else will. Trust me. Trust me. If it is meant to happen, it will make it happen. That's how strong my spell works are. All right. And by the way, I don't sense a third party situation. But in case if this reading resonated with you a bit, and you sense a third party, or there is a third party, then you can go for the third party removal spell. Again, the success ratio is 75 to 85%, and trust me, guys, you will benefit out of it, majority of you. All right, guys, so I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, do like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so that whenever I come online, you are able to receive this particular video. And do not forget, I do upload daily content, daily reels, daily post on my Instagram, so do follow me there as well. Check out there. Bye bye.